So we're at Hobby Lobby picking out a tree, and we found the tree that we're gonna get. This is it. It looks kind of scrawny, but and a little messed up, but this is just a display tree. Evie, what do you think about the tree?
Cool.
That one's the jingle balls. I really love this garland that they have this year. It's so cute. Look at this one and all of these.
And there's super Boho there.
Okay, so we just left Hobby Lobby and we have the tree in the car. It's a good thing we didn't get a very tall tree, or I don't know how I would have got it home. So I was going for a smaller tree, so now we're at Target. I don't think you can see. And we're gonna get some ornaments and see if they have a tree topper that I like or a tree skirt that I like here. Look at all of this stuff. It is so cute. Like, oh my word. So adorable. What do you think about this star? This one, right here. What do you think about it?
It's just a tree.
It's just a tree?
Yeah, a tree one.
Well, which one would you prefer?
I want that one.
You want the golden one?
Yeah.
The golden one doesn't really match. Gold does not match our apartment at all. So I found this cream one and I think I like it better because it lights up and I think it's prettier. What should I get? Classy, fun, and festive. I don't know. I really don't know which one I should get. Okay, so I got the tree from Hobby Lobby. I got this wrapping paper from Hobby Lobby. This wrapping paper is from Target. And I got the tags from Hobby Lobby and the string from Hobby Lobby. I made the oranges and I made the tassels. I made these and these. And then I got this garland from Hobby Lobby. The tree came from Hobby Lobby. And the star is from Target. It's looking a little crooked right now. So we finally finished getting the tree up.
The tree up.
Right? This video has taken like
100 hours.
100 hours.
40, 45.
It's been like weeks. I either bought my tree right before Thanksgiving or right after Thanksgiving. Evie wants to show you her countdown to Christmas. Are we taking one off?
Uh-huh.
Yay! I made these little tassels. I found the idea for these on Pinterest and they're actually really easy. This one is a little like smaller than the other ones. As you can see, it's just like string in half. It's pretty simple design, not really like hard to make. It's just like cream yarn. For the tassels, where was this? Was this right here? I don't even remember where it was.
Oh, it went right here.
Right there?
Yeah.
Okay, and then I also made these. I ordered these wooden beads from Amazon and I got this jute string from Hobby Lobby, and this is really easy. It's just a circle of 9 beads. I also did some dried orange ornaments, and I just dried slices of oranges in the oven for 8 hours on 185. I'm sure you've already seen these this year.
Yes.
And I also made these ones, and it's just a string of different sized beads. And this one was really easy to make too. So all of the ornaments that I made were really easy.
And we did make them because they're not easy.
Yeah.
We went to brought them.
Where'd we buy them at? We found these at Hobby Lobby. It was just like the natural color ornament.
No.
So I wanted to do a boho style Christmas tree. And so that's why I decided to make my ornaments.
Yeah.
I found these all the ornament ideas on Pinterest because I was looking up like a boho style Christmas tree, and these are the ones that I found. I tried to make feathers out of jute string and it just didn't work out. What are you doing? So Christmas is next week and we're finally done with the tree, and I loved how it turned out. I was really nervous how it was going to turn out. I was worried that it was not going to be very cute, and I think it turned out really pretty. I really liked it. I didn't know how making half of the ornaments and buying the other half would work out, but I think it turned out mixing really well. Stop. Stop it. Reggie's here, she's laughing too. So somebody asked me if I was going to do a Christmas decorate with me video, and this is it. This is the only Christmas decorations I have in my house. The girls have a couple of Christmas trees on their bookshelf, but other than that, I don't have decorations anywhere else. And this is the first time I put up a Christmas tree in 3 years. I haven't put one up in 3 years. I hope you liked this video. If you did, give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any videos. And I hope you have a wonderful day. Bye!